In a world of whispers, deep in the enchanted woods, a courageous girl wandered alone. Her heart raced with curiosity. Beneath the gnarled roots of an oak, something shimmered. Icy aqua and fiery gold danced on the egg's surface. It pulsed gently as if it held a heartbeat of its own. She reached out, anticipation buzzing in the air. Crack! A fragile shell shattered, revealing a creature as radiant as dawn. It blinked up, innocent and inquisitive, stirring a warmth in the girl's chest. In that moment, a bond formed, a promise to protect the fragile dragon from the forest's cunning forces. Together, they were unbreakable. A gust thundered through the trees. The spirit emerged, fierce and commanding. It sought to reclaim what it believed was rightfully its own. Unfazed by the chaos, she refused to waver. "We will guard the magic together," she declared. Confidence echoed in her voice, cutting through the storm. Hesitation filled the air. A flicker of curiosity danced in the spirit's gaze. Could these two be the guardians the forest longed for? With a gentle sigh, the spirit relented, recognizing their potential to protect the magic within the trees. An alliance formed in sparkles of trust. They took flight, hearts soaring high and free, symbols of unity soaring through the air. The forest thrived beneath them, watching in awe. Together, they painted the sky with shimmering trails, colors of friendship uniting the realm's magic and humanity. The forest creatures watched, wide-eyed with hope. The bond between them all sparked new beginnings, a world of enchantment and harmony. From that day forward, the young guardian and her marvelous companion stood vigilant, forever intertwined with the magic of the forest, guiding its destiny.